Next, fifth technique is path grouping. So generally path groups are nothing but we know that there will be four timing paths, that is input to register, register to register, register to output, and input to output. Now let us see how we are grouping them. During optimization, Genus works on one cost group at a time until there is no improvement on the critical path of the cost group. So critical path is a path which is having max delay. Now let us understand what is this one cost group. For every clock defined with the create clock. So I've explained this constraint already, create underscore clock. Please check my videos. Then you will understand what is meant by this create clock. For every clock defined with create clock constraint, a cost group is created. Like how many clocks that you are defining by using this particular command, that many cost groups will get created for all endpoints related to that clock waveform. If a design has a single clock, all parts in the design will be in a same cost group. So within your particular design, if you are using only one clock, then all parts will be under that particular clock. So that is called as one cost group. So simply, if you are using one create underscore clock command in your SDC, you will have one cost group. If you are using two create underscore clock groups, I mean, if you are defining two clocks, then you will have two different cost groups. So remember this point. Suppose a critical path is on IO path. So here IO paths are nothing but input to register and register to output. But for this input to register and register to output, so generally we will define set input delay and set output delay by using virtual clock. If Genus can improve timing, it will give up without optimizing the register to register paths in the same cost group. It is good practice to separate the IO parts from register to register parts in different cost groups so that Genus can still optimize for critical parts in each cost group. An example of cost group settings is given below. So these are the commands that you have to use for performing grouping, that is path grouping. So group underscore path, you have to give some name by using this particular switch. So input to register path group, this is input to register, this is register to register, register to output, and input to output. And from where to where you have to give, from and two switches you have to use. So input to register means from input to register. So from input, input means all underscore input, to registers means all DES sequential. This is the thing which you have to use. Next, register to register means simply all DES sequential to all DES sequential. If it is from register to output, simply use all DES sequential to all outputs. If it is input to output, it will be from all inputs to all outputs. So simply group path, alpha name, the name you have to give, followed by from and to. And here you have to give from input to register, register to register, register to output, and input to output. So this is about path grouping.